Good morning. I know it's been a while since I've done a garden update and we're a little overdue on it. So here we go. It's a Monday. I've been kind of busy on the weekends, so let's just go through everything. This is one of the most recent ones I've been working on. Far from finished. Tomato. There's some squash back there. Some more bunching onions. Hosta, which have been around for a while. Coral bells. We've got some snap peas. We actually got our first pea, if you can see it there. Tomatoes, I believe these are both Romas. Yes, these are Romas. Nasturtium. There's some cucumbers in the back, if you can see them. And here's Lynn's raised bed. There's some onions, there's some chives. There are also some radishes. Asparagus was just put in. We have more carrots. And then, of course, our strawberries. Now, into the jungle we go. Radishes. Lots of radishes. Some of them are starting to crown, as you can see. Hopefully. Yep, there we go. Look at that. Then we've got some, I believe that's squash. We've got heirloom brandywine tomatoes, some more basil, more snap peas. Again, snap peas. There's another brandywine. There's some watermelon over in there. And it just kind of continues. We've got a variety of things, and I've definitely got some sweet corn to add to this mix. Some zinnias going here. Some more Roma tomatoes. Alyssum. Bell peppers. Let's see, what do we have started in here? We've got some marigolds. They're starting to pop up a little. Then we've got some corn starting. Some more brandywines hiding over in here, and more zinnias hiding, so a little pruning wouldn't hurt. But the poppies are absolutely beautiful if you hadn't really gotten a look at those. Got some corn going in there, some more squash. Got some bush beans actually growing in there. There's some corn. I believe there's also squash in that one. Zucchini. And as you can see, there's quite a variety. I've got to get in and go through all of it. Of course, more poppies. They kind of go where they want to go. They were never out here before. More nasturtium. Lots and lots of cilantro. Oh, there's some sweet pea back here. I was hoping to have some nice flowers, but I'm going to have to see what's going on with that when I get a chance. Then, of course, our sunflowers. Some Roma tomatoes. Got a little bit of a wildflower mix going on here. Oregano. Of course, some marigolds. So that's our garden update for today.